page 323. All right, let's read. 1,359 divided by 4. Use multiplication to check your answer. Show your work. Okay, so you need to write little. And you need to write in the middle of the page because you need to leave room for building up your answers and showing your work going down. With partial product, partial quotient, you only do the acronym Dirty Monkeys Smell. DMSB. It's the only one we do. Okay, so let's write the acronym Dirty Monkeys Smell off to the side. And we're going to fill out our toolbox next. Multiples of 4. Ready? 4, 8, 12. All of you talk. 16, 20, 24. Hold on.
Good morning, Quest Ram. We just want to...
All right, let's skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 30, 34, 38.
How does 24 go to 30?
That is correct. We did mess that one up. Let's try it again. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That's good. Let's stop. Okay. 1,359 goes there. Okay, my first step is I underline the first digit. And there's 4 numbers underneath that division table, so I'm going to put 4 slashes so I can help myself know how many answers I need to get. Does 4 go into 1?
No.
Let's put a 0 there. Let's find a bigger number, 13. Let's go to our toolbox and see where 13 lives, right there. So let's skip count down and see how many times 4 goes into 13. 4, 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay. One of the easiest ways to do this kind of math, so you can skip ahead, is to use the power of 10. So would I only do 4 times 3, or could I do 4 times 300? I could totally do 300 because there's 2 open spots right there. So now it's 4 times 300, and I'm going to grab that number of 1,359, and I'm going to make it very small fast. So I'm done with division. I mark off the step. I'm to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. I have 2 zeros up at the top. I'm going to put 2 zeros down at the bottom. Now I subtract. I have 159 next. Okay, I'm going to make that so you can tell we're starting a new number. So 4 goes into 159. That's my next step. There's 3 numbers, so I'm going to put 3 slashes up here. So there's 3 numbers as the dividend. I'll put 3 slashes. Okay? I underline the first number, and I ask myself, does 4 go into 1? It does not, so put a 0 there. All right, then I'm going to make the number larger. Does 4 go into 15? Well, let's go look in our toolbox. 4, 8, 12, ooh, it lives right there. Because that's a 16, and 16's too high. So I'll put 3 there. Am I going to do a 3 or a 30 using the power of 10? Class? 30. Good job. I'm done with divide. Now I'm going to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. I have a 0 up top. I'm going to put a 0 down at the bottom. Done with multiplying. Now I'm subtracting. 9 minus 0 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. I have 39 pieces of candy. And I have 4 kids to divide it out amongst right now. Okay? Let's change colors and go 4 goes into 39. Okay, let's go see. I have 2 numbers. Does 4 go into 3? It does not. Put a 0. But does 4 go into 39? Well, let's go look in my toolbox. It's right there. Let's skip count down and see how many multiples it will go into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 multiples. 9 times 4 is 36. I'm going to come up here and continue my problem. Then I am going to subtract 4 times 9, which we said was 36. I get 3. I have 3 pieces of candy and 4 kids. Can they all get another piece of candy? No, somebody won't get one and somebody will start to cry. So we're going to put a tiny, get your green light done. I'm going to get a tiny remainder 3. Okay, now I said we're going to be adding on top of it using partial quotient. So I write 300, wrote that one, 30, done. 9 and a remainder 3, and I add those all together. Remainder 3 is still a remainder 3. 9 plus a whole bunch of zeros is a 9. 3 and a 0 is a 3, and a 3. The answer is 339. It says check your answer using multiplication, but the person that wrote the book didn't give us any space. So we're going to skip that stuff on this one.
Yeah. Well,
Turn the page.